Sun Joe's HJ22HTE, otherwise known as Hedge Joe, has a 3.5 amp engine, a full fold-over, ergonomic front handle, and a simple, press-button startup. Yet, the highlights don't end there. You'll cherish the 22 inches double-activity, pre-solidified steel edges, in addition to the fact that they are rust-proof. However, they additionally cause 40% less vibration than single-activity cutting edges. The calmer sound of the engine will likewise prevail upon you. At only 5 pounds, Hedge Joe's mobility is a breeze, so your arms will not begin to feel weighty as lead, regardless of whether your work endures longer than a couple of moments. While not implied for uncompromising positions, this device is adequate for ordinary private work. Basically, guide it across your greenery and watch as it makes cuts in the 2 ways, easily sending abundant twigs, branches, and leaves to the ground. This force apparatus additionally flaunts a double-given security change to assist with forestalling incidental startup. Consider putting resources into a decent open-air additional string, as the rope this model accompanies is supposedly short. What we liked: eco-friendly. It is lightweight, low maintenance, unlimited runtime. It has a quiet motor. What we did not like: included cord is short.